Okay, hi people, today I wanted to show to you uh, because after publishing video tutorial there may be error which you have to fix. There's registry tweak to bypass this error because you will have to do some tweaks in registry editor for this error to disappear because it's nothing to do with operating system. Copy local machine system current control set. I think Windows Update. I just have to check because I can't remember where I went. I wish I could have remembered a little bit back there. So Happy local machine software. Microsoft Windows current version Windows Update. Okay, auto update, reboot required. Maybe I should remove this key. Okay, maybe I should delete a folder reboot required to see what happens. Because everything else supposed to work. Because I wish other programs had the same problems. No, so how to say in English? I wish other programs hadn't have had the same problems. I have to check because I deleted one folder. Oh yes, it works. It works. You have to delete folder auto update in registry editor. If you don't remember, Visual C++, it is still essential. Because this library will allow you to install some other components like licensing and Autodesk On-Demand service. Without those files, it is impossible to install Autodesk application because I'm installing Service Pack 3 people. But also the registry editor is very essential to set this up. You have to delete folder what was before update required. I will show to you. See, the name of the folder was update required. You you must you must delete that folder. Okay, I just have to check fast where this was located. Computer, happy local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Windows Update. What you can do, you can add it to favorites. No, what I'm doing. Because sometimes it's difficult to remember where to get. Oh, okay, that's fine. I cannot add the same names. This is actually software, hacky local machine, uh, software. Do I have this? Yes, I have got this. Sometimes it can be confusing, but once you remember the full path where to get, you can sort any problems, to be honest with you. But you have to do 3 steps, even more than that. Also in previous video tutorial, I wanted to hack local machine software, hack local machine software, Microsoft. Windows NT, image file execution. Check if you haven't got any debugger files. But this tutorial is slightly different what I was planning to update. This tutorial is how to fix restart is pending. An operating system is pending restart when you try to install Autodesk. Unfortunately, you have to tweak the registry editor to be able to do successful install of update. When you have a Service Pack 2, Service Pack 3, or a version which was released in May 2025. I'm glad that I was able to help you, but pay attention what files. If you see debugger file, you must delete the debugger file because this string will block your installation and you will not be able to install 3ds Max. I just have to check Microsoft Edge update. Install agent belongs to Autodesk. This one belongs to Autodesk. And maybe I will publish first video tutorial because it is important. If you install Autodesk On Demand service, then you have to install a separate Autodesk licensing service. If you want to install Service Pack 3 3ds Max 2026, but you have to remove all the service Autodesk On Demand service if you want to install a Service Pack 3, and you have to do the same with Autodesk licensing service. Unfortunately, you have to use the tool uninstall. Sometimes it may come up error, so you have to overwrite broken and corrupted files using new file. Sometimes files, they can get corrupted by Windows alone. As you can see, my installation probably will be successful I just have to wait a couple of minutes to see what happens. If I didn't have any issues. Because I had a message, our operating system is finding reboot is required. Okay, I think everything went through. It was successful. I was able to install 3ds Max 2026 update 3 successfully, and I don't have any issues, but check for any restart if a restart was required. I hope you like my video tutorial. I showed it to you all steps, but I want to publish separate video tutorials.